Actually, that's a lie. It's not good morning. It's 1 o'clock. So good afternoon. I've not shit. I've not just woke up though. I'm not that lazy. Just cobbled today's video together. It's only a short one. But like I say, the videos all went a bit skew with, and we've lost a few days. So we're coming back into it now. This is actually 2 days of it in front of when you actually see the first one, but is it? I think it's episode 25. That's going to be starting fresh now from, it's day 30, then day 32 now. But yeah, we'll catch back up. I was going to do one big video, but I think it's going to be more fun to do a couple of smaller ones, you know, rather than just doing a massive long one. So we'll get back on track. So you're only 2 days behind me now, but yeah, it's been a fun couple of days, blimey. But today probably going to be kind of boring, but I'll film it anyway. I've just got to do some jobs. Need to go shopping because obviously it's like a week that my tooth was bad and I hardly ate anything, so all my food's gone like all my good fresh food is all gone bad and stuff, so it's a bit of a waste. Oh well, it is what it is. So I'm going to, it's my new favourite thing by the way, tinned mackerel. Oh, it's so good. You don't have to do anything. Upload this, it's just exporting, so I'll have to wait for that to upload. And then I'm probably going to drive down to Passy and go to that big Super U again. I know it's like, I keep going back and forward from there, but it's a lot cheaper actually there than it is up here, and it's only 10 kilometers or whatever it is. It's not even that, I don't think, but you know, it's worth it. It's worth going there, also for fuel, because the fuel's cheaper there as well. And I've only got about half a tank after that voyage. We went, she took me to this other lake first, and it had all been like commercialised. That's why I didn't put it on there. So I ended up going back to Roseland, like that big lake I was at before, and bloody Tour de France was on, so it was a bit mental. It was sick, it was really cool. It's definitely on someone's bucket list. It weren't on mine, but I've seen it, so tick. I love this, and then figure out the rest of the day. Oh, you don't even understand how good it feels to be able to open my mouth properly again. Well, not all the way yet, but I can eat in comfort. Oh man, it's been a shit week. Okay, right, I may have fell asleep for a little bit, but that's okay. Doesn't matter. But just means now I need to go do me boring crap jobs. So we're going down to the next town, or the next big town, but you've all seen it before. But new policy, film everything, because you never know what's going to happen. I still haven't made a switch for this. I should probably do it. If I were to get stopped by the police, it would be an interesting conversation, wouldn't it? It's warm again. It's bloody busy down here, oh my god. As soon as I leave it, I'm not getting enough space. Super U. Go.
Proceed to highlighted route.
I will.
In 1.5 kilometers, enter that.
I'm feeling a lot better now, people. Had a bit of a downer, didn't we? I can open my mouth more, I can eat, I can do whatever. U-turn. It don't get much better. Super U. The fuel is done. I'm sweating buckets. Boiling. Right, I need to go quick because I'm going to die. Some more water. Didn't even need it. But it's filthy cheap, so might as well. Oh, I can't turn the trolley. Just a load of fruit and stuff, basically. So much water now. It's crazy. I just get it when I come here because it's only €1 for 6 bottles, whereas you go in some shops and it's like £4 or something. Flipping out, it's boiling in there, holy crap. Yeah, I spent more in the last week because I've been like going out for food and whatever. Just having a bit of a spend, you know. Whew. I've got all this Tour de France crap in here still. All the freebies. Okay. Dying. Right, I've got enough food now to last me flipping years. Veg, fruit, whatever you want, I got. Oh, it's so good being able to eat, man. That's good chocolate, aren't you? It's well cheap as well. Do I had an idea, but I don't know. Do I go to the south coast and get some beach? No, what I'm going to do right now, try and find out how much money I've got while I'm thinking about it. Because then I can work out what I'm doing then, can't I? Right everyone, I've just checked the cash situation and trapped my coat in the door. Good job. And it's alright. It's lower than I was expecting, but it's not bad. We're okay. Just because I've been pissing around for a few days and buying all sorts of crap. Like alcohol. Oh my god, it's warm in here. I bet this says 40 degrees when I turn it on. Holy shit. Oh my god, the temperature difference in here compared to in the back. 50 degrees! The tape is melting. Right, we're going to Switzerland. That's what's happening. Oh, I'm in the oven right now. Can't think. Oh my days. Come on. That way. Go. Quick. Just go. It's never been this warm. Why did I park facing the sun? What a tip. Yeah, I just one of them. You know me. I make a decision like this and I'm out. I'm gonna go to Switzerland. I love it here. It's brilliant. There's nothing wrong. I'm not getting out of here because I don't like it or anything. I just think it's time to make a move, that's all. I mean, to the border, it's only 39 kilometres, so... Oh, I feel like I'm going to be sick, it's so hot in here. Fucking hell. Right, we're going up this road for the last time now, for a while. Well, we'll see what happens, but... Going up, trying to go up. Just trying as hard as you can. It's a bit of a tough one, this is. Going into Switzerland plans better than going to the coast, I think, because it's just going to be horrible down there, being rammed. So we'll save that for a little bit. But yes, we are back on with the road trip. Just going to have to watch my spending a little bit more now. Since I've been on the road, I've spent €600, but you can probably knock off 100 of that. Just like, well, probably 150 actually, knock off in stuff I didn't really need to buy. So I've eaten out a few times. I bought one of the nice French knives, just like a souvenir. And just, you know, bits and bobs I bought, or done. And obviously you got the dentist as well, I didn't need that. So I've not done too bad really. I don't think, for a month living. I mean, I'll tell you what I've done. I've done 2,550 kilometres. You know, we've come quite a way, and this is a bit of a gas guzzler as well. Got to remember that. If I was in my little van, I probably would have spent half. But this is what I got, and I'm living in far more comfortable circumstances than I did in that, so it's worth it. It doesn't really matter. But now, for the next 30 kilometres, I'm climbing up this flipping hill again. Remember how big it was when we came over? So that's probably going to knock a load of fuel off. But yeah, so we're doing alright. Make sure you visit this, like the Chamonix Valley, or whatever the hell it's called. It's just brilliant here. I've loved almost every second of it, even the bad times. So I can definitely recommend this, even though everyone's probably been here already except me. Right, quick pit stop in Vallecy, so I can put my beads back on. It's getting a bit sweaty. Right, let's do it. Switzerland, here we come. Order. Because it's 7 o'clock now, so I need to find somewhere to stop really. Might as well do that, at least I know it's good. Going. And we're back in the coolest spot ever. See this right here? This is chill. I love this spot. I'm gonna peace out for today, I think. because I'm going to lie here and not move for a while. So, yeah, catch you all tomorrow.